quick additional video for you with regard to division. Same applies, but this time what we're going to do is bigger numbers. I'm going to divide by 3. So let's say there's 3 plant pots, 3 huge plant pots, and there are 294 plants to put in. So we're dividing 294 by 3, and same deal applies here. So we're going to do the 3 times table for our bus stop method. And the idea behind this one is same sort of thing applies, but there will be some remainders a little bit, and we're going to see what remainders apply here. So there's my 3 times table. Delightful. We'll just put it up here a little bit as well. Okay, this time when you're dividing, I want you to have a look at the individual numbers that you're working with, okay? Pretend for a second, even though this is 200, pretend for a second that they're individual numbers, and this is a 2, this is a 9, this is a 4, or if you're combining, this is 29, or this is 94, or... With this, what we're going to do is break this number down a little bit further, because dividing by 294 will leave us on the bus for a long time, all the way down. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this number here, 2. And I know that I can't divide 2 plants by 3. I've got 2 plants, 1, 2, and it will mean that 1 plant pot is missed out. So instead, what we're going to do is pretend that this is the number we're working with, 29. The same deal applies. So we're going to go through our bus stops and see how we go, and see whether or not we can get through our bus stops. So again, we're going to the first stop, 3, 6, and we're heading to 29. Third stop is 9, fourth stop, 5th stop, 6th, 7th, 8th, and the 9th stop is 27, and the 10th stop is 30. So we didn't make it to 30. We shouldn't go to 30 because that's too many. We need to go to 29, and we are heading to 27. That's the bus stop before. Let's put a nice sort of marker there so it reminds us. And we're at 27 because that's the best bus stop before we go over, because 30 would be over 29. So we've headed to 27, and that's the 9th stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th stop. So same again. I'm just going to put 9 up here. Now there is a remainder. Because we're headed to 27, and technically speaking, we should have gone to 29. The remainder is the number 2. And technically speaking, 2 10s are left over, or 20. So we're going to add that onto our ones column to make it into 24. So 24 is what we've got left, and 24 is what we're dividing with next. So now we've got the numbers 24. I'll circle it, and we're going to divide that once again by 3. Okay? So 3 is our number we're dividing by, and 24 is the number we're using, and that'll go up the top. Remember, there's no decimal point. The decimal point would sit here, and hopefully we don't need to go into decimals, but we will see. Okay, same deal here. Let's go down our bus stop and see where we get to. First stop, second stop, third stop, fourth stop, 5th stop, 6th stop, 7th stop, 8th stop. Perfect. 24 is what we need, and the 8th stop is 24. 8 times 3 is 24, so I can just put a nice 8 up here to say that 24 is divided by 3 8 times equally. So the number that we're working with is 98. Now, I know I've rushed this little video, and I'm hoping that some of you can get that concept down pat, ready to go. Have a look at the questions next door and travel along those, see how you go.